everyone, Chef Yoda the dog here. Now, I'm not wearing the chef's hat today because I wanted to show you my beautiful fall decorations. So I've got my pumpkin above my head here. This is my mom's fireplace. Anyway, I thought I'd do something different for fall. But I'm still Chef Yoda the dog, and it's still the Monday meal. And today's Monday meal is going to be a crockpot recipe for Crocktober, like Mama Ray Ray likes to say. So this one is Crockpot Jambalya. We got it from the momswithcrockpots.com website. My mom loves that website, and she saves a lot of recipes from there. So we used most of the things that are in the recipe. Some things we didn't, and Mom will explain why. But it still turned out really good, and the whole kitchen smells awesome and like fall. So we highly recommend it. Hope you guys are having a great Monday, and that you give this recipe a try. And if you haven't already, like this video, give it a thumbs up, and also subscribe to our channel. Well, my channel, whatever. Sometimes I have to share it with Mom, but really I think it should be my channel. Anyway, Chef Yoda the dog out.
Hi everyone! As Yoda said, we are making a Crockpot Jambalya for our Monday meal, and as Mama Ray Ray would say, it's Crocktober, so using the Crockpot. Yoda, as you saw, was in his lovely fall photo today. No chef's hat. He wanted to show you his fall decorations. So, all right, this is our Crockpot meal. We've got it on low. You can do this on low for 7 to 8 hours or on high for about 3 to 4 hours. We don't have anything that really has to cook. The sausage is fully cooked, and we're using canned chicken instead of raw chicken. So really, it's probably gonna be fine in 6 hours or less. But anywho, that's what the recipe says. And this is on the Moms with Crockpots website, so I'll put the link down below. All right, so what have we got in here? We have got a can of chicken. We have got 4 Cajun style andouille Sam's Choice sausage links chopped up in here. We have got 2 teaspoons of dried oregano. We've got 2 teaspoons of dried parsley. We've got 2 teaspoons of Cajun seasoning. We've got a half a teaspoon of dried thyme. We've got a half a teaspoon of cayenne pepper. I did a teaspoon of minced garlic. That's not in the recipe, but I thought garlic would make it taste better. And then a cup of chicken broth. So we've got that in there. And then 2 cans with the juice of diced tomatoes. So that is what is in here, and I also sprayed it with olive oil spray. Also, there's a cup of chopped onion. So I use frozen chopped onion. So there's a cup of that in there. That equals 1 onion, basically. So 1 onion is 1 cup chopped frozen onion. So all that's in there. I'm going to stir it up and then put the lid on. And for like 6 to 8 hours on low. We're going to do ours on low because I got things to do this afternoon. I won't be here most of the day, so it'll be cooking while I'm not here. And then you serve it over white rice. So we're going to use white rice because that is low in oxalates. And I was going to tell you, I left out some things that are high in oxalates, so I didn't, or that I'm allergic to. So I didn't put any bell peppers in here. I'm allergic to those. I didn't put any celery because that is high in oxalates. So if you're trying to avoid kidney stones, you want to avoid those. All right, so that's it. I'm going to stir it up, put the lid on, show you the finished product when it's done. Okay, since it's going to be served over white rice, I decided to go ahead and add some white rice now and let it cook the whole 6 to 7 hours. It should be done on low by the time it finishes cooking everything else. So I put in, what was left in this is about a cup of white rice, and I did another 1.5 cups of chicken broth, so that would be 2.5 cups of broth in there with the 1 cup of white rice. So it should be done at the same time the jambalaya is done, and it'll all be in there together. So we'll see how it goes. All right, guys, here's the finished product. It has not even been, it may have been 7 hours maybe, but the rice is plenty done, so it probably only needed like 6. But it's good to go, tastes good, all in one crock pot for fall. Crockpot Jambalaya. Enjoy.